Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are well. So, now social studies class. The lesson name is Maths. We are going to learn the third chapter, Maths. See here, already you know very well about the globe. In the fifth class, if you are observing the fifth class, and you got some idea about the globe. The globe is a model of the earth, and here the earth divides the 7 continents and 5 water bodies. 7 land masses, 5 water bodies. So what is the 7 land masses here? The biggest continent Asia, second the biggest continent is Africa, and third biggest continent North America, fourth biggest continent is South America, fifth biggest continent is Antarctica. So these are the Antarctica, and second biggest continent is smallest continent is Europe, and smallest continent is Australia. So these are the 7 continents and water bodies. 5 main water bodies are there. Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world, and the second biggest ocean is the Atlantic Ocean, and the third biggest ocean is Indian Ocean. Smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean, and the fifth one is the Southern Ocean. It is also called the Antarctica Ocean. See here, the Antarctica Ocean is the southern part of the Pacific Ocean, and the southern part of the Atlantic Ocean, and the southern part of the Indian Ocean, together called the Southern Ocean or Antarctica Ocean. So now, this is the information we are getting from the globe, but the globe is not given the clarity about it, and we are unable to finding the particular places and particular ocean areas. So instead of a globe, we are using maps, and it is very easy to identify the 7 continents and 5 oceans and how many countries are located, and next countries and states, districts, villages, and these are very easy to finding on the map. So we are getting some information about the maps, and here, see here, and globe, the model of the true model of the earth. I said information about the globe. Now the maps. Here you saw different kinds of the maps are there. So you saw from the third class onwards, and you saw, and you are also doing something on the map only, and map reading also is there. See here, and components, and what is the main components of the maps. And here main components are the, one is directions. So second one is scale, and third one is symbols, fourth one is colors. And the next map pointing, that is how to finding the particular specific point on the place. So here map pointing we are learning, and we are going to find out the locations of the continents and oceans. And the next another important 2 things here. One is the sketch. So what is the sketch means? It is a rough drawing, and we are not, it is not possible to draw the exact on the paper. So here it is a rough drawing. See here, a sketch is a drawing, and mainly based on and memories. A rough drawing means, and a map is a representation of the whole earth. So now let us learn about the one by one what is the importance of the maps. So here, this is the page number 28 open. Here given the mind map it is. Already I drawn on the board mind map. So let us learn one by one. See here, generally, and we have friends. Just I am taking the two friends here, not a friends, and the two persons here, and one is Satvika, and the second one is Mrudula. These are and going to the excursion to the Tirupati, and these are met in a particular place, and they becoming friends, good friends. And here Mrudula asked after sometimes the Mrudula asked to the Satvika. So Mrudula said to Satvika, I want to come to your home. So when they went to home, they are written a letter, and Mrudula asked to Satvika. So I want to come to your place. Actually, the Satvika is in Tirupati, and Mrudula Nellore. And these two persons met in Tirupati excursion, and hereafter completing of excursion, and Mrudula asked to Satvika, I want to come to your home. So please send sketch map. But here Satvika drawn a sketch map on the paper, but Mrudula unable to reach to the Satvika home. So why? So it is not given the exact kilometers and how many kilometers and what is the places, not given by the Satvika. So this is the problem in sketch map. So like that here we are using the maps also. See, first when we are using the maps, we should come to know about the four important things. So what are the four important things here? So one is directions. So what is the directions here? The mainly four directions are there. So what are the main four directions here? North, and the opposite of the north south, and next east and west. So here this is the mainly important direction north. So these are the major directions. For example, just standing opposite of the sun. See here, the sun rises in the east. So because I am standing opposite of the east, and behind of me or opposite of the east, west. And what is this my hand? And this is the left hand, and shows to the north. So it is the north. And when you are standing opposite of the sun, so your left hand indicates the north, and right hand indicates the south. And behind of you or behind of me, that is the west direction. So here what is the east? So this is the opposite of the sun. My face is opposite of the sun. It is indicate the east direction. And what is the left here? Left hand shows the north direction, and right hand shows to the south direction. And behind of me and west directions, and these are the mainly four directions are there. How many directions are there? Four directions are there. Just once I am going to explain the directions. See here, just I am standing opposite of the here, opposite of the north facing, and opposite of the north. Then my right hand shows to the and east, and my left hand shows to the indicates to the west side, and behind of me shows to the south. So here directions are not changing. So my position only changing. That you should find out that. So I am only turning. The direction should not. So here when your face opposite of the sun, so behind of you west direction, and left left hand indicates the north direction and right hand indicates the south direction. So these are the main four directions. Are you understanding? Okay. I hope you are understanding. So now see, and here these main directions are there, and the second one is the scale. See here, and the scale, it is just we are going to use for the measurement purpose. See a scale, for example, we are going to take on scale one measurement. The 1 unit measurement equal to 100 kilometers. This way, I take the 100 kilometers. You can take 200 or 300, no problem. But here, 1 unit equal to the 100 kilometers scale. But when we are using that scale, so it is not exactly or the applying to the outside. So 1 unit here, 100 kilometers. 1 unit. So here, the outside it is a quite far of us. See like that, here it is a rough drawing only. It is used for the rough drawing of the map. Are you understanding? Okay, next one. See next point. Here, symbols. Just I am going to take the one map, or it is India map, or it is North America, or South America, or Europe, or Asia, or India, or Australia, or Antarctica, or any continent. Just when we are taking this, so here we should use symbols on the map. For example, symbols we want to show on the map tree, so we should draw the tree symbol. See here, like this is the tree symbols. So like that, this is the house symbols. So like that, there is so many different types of the symbols are there. Let us going to learn about that. So next one is the colors. So we are daily in our daily life we are using the colors. So these colors also we are applying to the physical features of the world. That is not only in the physical features. When we are going to take North America or South America, so these we are taking the here the colors we are using. So which colors we are using for example, I am going to show to you there is a blue color. It is indicate the water bodies. Here Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Southern Ocean, Arctic Oceans are there. So these are when we are seeing on the globe or outside. The water is blue color indicates the water. Not only oceans and seas, and ponds also have the water, and tanks also have the water, lakes also have the water. So these are all indicated by the blue color. So like that here, different colors are there. The one is blue, second one is green, and yellow and brown. So these are the main four colors are used when we are using the maps. So let us learn about the directions. The briefly and what is the directions here. See here, the main directions are how many? 4 directions are there. 4 directions. See here, and it has the sub directions also used. Sub directions. These are the sub directions. See between the north and east, intermediary signs. These are directions. Intermediary signs or intermediary directions. Here the how many major directions here? 4 major directions are there. And north, opposite of the north, south and east, and opposite of the east, west. And between the north and east, northeast direction. Okay? And next, west, south, southwest direction. This is the southwest direction. And between the north and west, northwest direction. And between the south and east, southeast direction. So here the how many directions are? Main directions are 4 directions. What are they? North, this is. For example, we are going to take a world map. Example, board we are using as a world map. See here, this is the north. Understand? So opposite of the top of the map, north. Opposite of the north, south. This is the south. And here we are using this is east, and opposite of the east, west. So these are the main directions. And these are again sub directions, northwest, and this is the northwest. So like that, when we are sitting in our room, so how can you find out it is a east, it is a west, it is north, it is a south. So here the east is south, between south east direction, that is, and north, and this is the northeast and the northeast direction. So like that here, southeast direction. So here just we are observing this, our classroom. So this is our classroom. This is I am standing opposite of the sun. So this is the east. Opposite of the east, west, and left hand indicates north direction and right hand indicates south direction. Okay. So here, and this is the north and east. Northeast direction. Intermediate direction. Northeast. Northwest direction. This is. And southeast direction. This is. So like that. And east, and this is the south. Southeast. Okay. So these are the main sub directions. See once again, if you are getting any confusion, see north, and this is the north, and opposite of the south, this is the south. Okay, and east, this is the east, and west direction, this is the west direction. Then you can middle you can put a northwest. See north, west, northwest. This is intermediary direction, and this is the southeast. Intermediary direction, northeast intermediary direction, southwest intermediary direction. See here in our book, textbook page number, we are given page number 30. See here the one boy standing here, and here north. Here north side, this is the north, opposite of the north, south, and here sun rises. So because it is the east, and opposite of the east, west. Here what is located? House. See here trees are located in the north of the north, and here well is on the south. Okay, and east side, sun rises in the east. So because it is very easy to identify the east direction. So here, and house is on the west directions. So let us write down on the here. So what is the here north? Trees. Okay, and trees only, hills also located. Hills. Trees and hills. Trees on the north. Okay, are you understanding? See here, south direction. What is located here? South, and well is there. So because south, we are going to write well. And so next here, and east direction, sun rises. It is a very easy, and sun here. So this is the east direction. And what is on the western? House. So here write house. So these are the major directions. And what is located here? Major directions, and some directions you are going to see. Southeast. What is in the southeast? School is located. What is here located? School. Okay, here located school. And what is on the southwest? Okay, what is the southwest? Southwest Masjid is located. Masjid. Masjid located. See here. And northwest what is? Church. Okay, north is church located. So, and this is the main direction, sir. and we are going to discussing the remaining phases next class. Thank you.